Tired of messy bacon splatters and uneven cooking? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Prep Solutions Bacon Grill. The Prep Solutions Microwavable Bacon Grill by Progressive is a solid choice at $18.99. Its large size cooks 7 to 9 strips of bacon at once, which is perfect if you're feeding a crowd or just want leftovers. If you want an easy way to cook multiple strips without the mess, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The vented cover prevents grease splatters, keeping your microwave clean. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and BPA free, making cleanup a breeze. With over 1,000 units sold in just the last month, it's clear that many people appreciate its convenience. Now, some people complained about the lack of sturdiness in the plastic material. Here's the thing though, if you treat it gently, it's perfectly fine for everyday use and easy to handle. Just keep in mind that it's not meant for heavy-duty use. This is perfect for you if you often cook bacon for family breakfasts or meal prep. Skip this one if you're looking for something more heavy-duty or if you just want to cook 1 or 2 strips at a time. Now, if the plastic material bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Macon Bacon Dish. Next up, we have the original Macon Bacon Microwave Bacon Dish, priced at $16.49. What caught my eye is that it cooks bacon above the fat instead of in it, reducing fat content by up to 35% compared to skillet-prepared bacon. If you're looking for a healthier bacon option, this might be your go-to. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The compact design and easy dismantling make for hassle-free storage and cleaning. A paper towel draped over the bacon strips controls splatter, which is a game changer for quick cleanups. Plus, it's made in the USA with BPA-free material, ensuring quality and safety. Now, a few users mentioned that it can be tricky to get the bacon evenly cooked if you cram too many strips on it. Here's the thing though, if you stick to the recommended amount, you'll get perfectly crispy bacon every time, making it a great option for small families. This is perfect for you if you prioritize health and easy cleanup. Skip this one if you often cook large quantities of bacon at once. For a reasonable price, it delivers great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love convenience. Product number 3, Nordic Ware Bacon Rack with Lid. Priced at just $11.07, this tray offers a durable and functional solution for cooking your bacon. If you want something economical that still delivers crispy results, this is worth considering. What makes this rack unique is its ribbed surface that elevates the bacon above the grease, while the lid keeps spatters contained. It's also versatile enough for cooking sausage, making it a nice all-in-one option. With more than 1,000 units sold recently, it's popular for a reason. Some users did mention that it's not dishwasher safe, but here's the deal. Hand washing is simple and quick. Plus, it helps prolong the life of your product. If you don't mind a little extra cleanup, it really is a great buy. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and effective baking cooking method. Skip this one if you're looking for something more high-tech or dishwasher-friendly. For the price, you get fantastic quality. Now, if you're in the market for something even more reliable, the next product could be your favorite. Product number 4, One More Bacon Tray. Coming in at $28.99 is the One More Microwave Bacon Tray with Lid. This one caught my attention because it promises perfectly cooked bacon every time, thanks to its ceramic design. If you want crispy bacon with minimal hassle, you should definitely keep listening. This tray features raised ridges that allow fat to drain away, which is essential for achieving that perfect crispiness we all crave. Plus, it's oven and dishwasher safe, which makes it versatile for different cooking methods. With over 700 sold recently, it's clear that many bacon lovers are enjoying its performance. However, some users pointed out that the silicone lid can warp if overheated. Here's the thing though, if you keep the lid under 100 degrees Celsius for a short time, you won't have any issues, and it's totally manageable with careful use. This is perfect for you if you love a reliable, stylish cooking tool that offers great results. Skip this one if you prefer budget-friendly options, but it's worth the investment for the performance and looks. Product number 5. Lekue Microwave Bacon Tray and Food Defroster. Priced at $16. This caught my eye because it doubles as a defroster, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen gadgets. If you're looking for a 2-in-1 solution, this could be your best bet. The slanted tray design helps drain grease effectively while cooking a large amount of bacon. It can accommodate many slices, which is ideal for family breakfasts or meal prep days. It's made in the USA and has a solid reputation among users. That said, some people complained it can be a bit bulky to store. But honestly, if you need a reliable cooking tool that can also help with defrosting, the space it takes up might be worth it in the end. This is perfect for you if you frequently cook bacon and need a versatile tool that saves time. Skip this one if you're really tight on storage space. For the price and functionality, it's a solid choice. So, to quickly wrap things up, we've got the Prep Solutions Bacon Grill, the Macon Bacon Dish, the Nordicware Bacon Rack, the Own More Bacon Tray, and the Nordicware Tray and Defroster. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Own More Bacon Tray because it gives the best results and versatility. I'd recommend avoiding the Prep Solutions if you need something more robust. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.